Hi everyone, I'm Julie. I wanted to share with you how to make this. I actually got this on the Wednesday die deals from Tonic Studios, and it was such a good price, because at the time when it was released I thought, no, I don't really need it, and then because it was such a good price I thought, yes, I think I will. So you know what it's like, you see things and you think, oh, it's such a, really good price, and I thought, yeah, I will get it. So I've done 2 projects already with it. As with Tonic, it comes with a bundle actually. As with Tonic, you get loads of stuff, loads of dies. You get the base set, which makes the basic shape, and you get the details and the matte and layers and everything you need to make yourself a shadow frame box. And then in the bundle came these 2, which is for decorations as well, so you can have different wording, different plates as well. But this one's got 10, this one's got 11, and the main set's got 27 dies in it. So all in all, it's good value for money. So what I've gone ahead and done, I've prepped quite a bit. I've cut out 2 of this one in black, 2 of this one, which is a matte layer, in red, turned it over and put on some detail, so that's going to stick on there. And then I cut one of those lovely detail ones that you get in the as I said, in the decoration sets. So if we find some glue, and then I can put that on. I don't know if anybody else does that, or you see things and you think, do I want it? Or it's not very often I do that, and I think, oh, and then I thought, I don't know, I think I might. Sometimes it is best to wait though, isn't it, for things that you want. Because I don't know about anybody else. You get so much stash, don't you? Right, that's done that base layer. So, and then that's my other one. That's going to be the top. So I just need to glue this detail bit on. I'll just slip my glasses down so I can see. Just glue around the outside. That's it. Sometimes they want to slide, don't they? And then sometimes they don't. They just seem to stick automatically. As soon as you place it down, that's the top and the bottom done. Now here's your side pieces. So you need to cut out 2 of these as well. And if you're going to decorate around these, then you've got panels to do that as well. So I'm just going to do this one, get it glued down, and then I want to show you something else in a minute. I just won't take long. This one's quite good because you've got lots of little places you can just dot your glue onto. This might just give it a little tap on the table just in case I too much on. That's it. Quick, give it a polish. I hate it when that happens. You get glue on the top of your mirror card. Ah. Right, let's just glue the back of it. And then we can get it stuck down. And I've chosen like a pearlescent cardstock as well, so it might take a little while before it sticks. So those ones I just done a little while ago now. Right, let's put those to dry just for a second whilst I bring these other two pieces in. Now this is a piece, this is a die that you get to make these little slits in. And if I just lift this tape off, take those off there. So that's what it leaves you. It leaves you these little slits in your cardstock. You don't need those. So what you do is you stick two bits together, like that, and bearing in mind you will need it so these two pieces are opposite one another, okay, like that, so they come round there like that. And then for the other two pieces, I could just glue those together for you so you can see. You have this interior die what's on the sheet, and it makes like a little spine. So you cut this out and then glue the bits, push it, fold it, and then glue two pieces up together, and then you'll be putting that on there and one on there. And also on the die, on the dies themselves, I don't know. Let me see if I've got something to mark that with. Really want a bright colour, don't we, so you can see it. Let's see if that one will be. So I did mark it in pencil, but I still don't think you'll be able to see very well. There's one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. So when you cut this out, you have little not that one, it's this one, sorry, when you cut this out, which is this one, you cut that out there, you've got like little notches on here, so you'll be needing to line this up. Can you see? So you line those up, and it does leave a little indentation in your card as to where you need to put those. Okay, so that when you cut it out, you'll be lining it up with those. All right, and it's on all four. When you've cut it out, you'll have all four sides, so the other one will line up as well. So, and then on the other one, you'll have a T for top and a B for bottom, so you can't go wrong really. Right, and then what you'll be able to do when you've done that, move these out of the way, so place them over there for a minute. When you've done that, you'll be able to make one like this, so you'll have your little sliders go in and out. So if I just take that one out, I don't know, just take that one out. So when you've taken them out, that'll be your spine in there, and then that is so that it just glides along, and there's the slits for you to push them in and out. Okay, right, let's go back to this one. So we're going to take off, I'm going to put them together and take off this red liner tape. hear my dog snoring. I don't know if you can. Oh, oh dear. Right, let's take off the oh, we'll do this. No, we'll do the bottom ones first. Yeah, we'll do the bottom ones first. Oh, pain this stuff is. I did try one with wet glue, and it tends to move about when you're trying to stick it down. So I think probably red liner is probably the way to go. I found that a lot easier. Let's take that one off now as well. Come on. Even with big glasses I still can't see. Aha, that's it. So we'll bring this one round to that one. Do remember to fold all these over as well, fold your score lines. I'm just going to attach these onto here. That's it. So that's made a box. Then bring in your base. I see, I want it that way up, don't I? And then this gives you a rough guide of where you want to stick your side panels onto. That's it. Give it a good press. And then you can take your top ones off and do the same again for the top piece. Here we go again with the red liner tape. The black card is Onyx Black from Tonic Studios. It's a pearlescent, as I said before. The red one is a Chilli Red, which is a Craft Perfect. And I think the gold is Harvest Gold. I might be wrong. I'll check that. Because there's 2 or 3, maybe 4 golds in the tonic range. Let me just check. No, sorry, it's polished gold. That's what that one was. That's because I was looking at Harvest Gold the other day. So now I'm just going to stand up for this bit. So now you can bring this one in and judge where you want it to go. That's it. And there's your shadow frame done. So, quite like that one. It looks quite mysterious, doesn't it? Looks quite opulent. Yeah, I like that. And I've also made this one, which I've put flowers in, and I've used some mousse on the background of that one, and some flowers that I had in my stash and things like that. So you can have a playback. You can put photos in there if you wanted. All sorts of things could go in there, couldn't they? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.